Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the earbuds and case have some charge. This prevents mid-pair failures. Once done, unlock your iPhone and turn Bluetooth on in settings. You need the radio active. With the Nothing Ear 2 in the case, open the lid close to your iPhone. If they don't appear, press and hold the pairing button on the case until the LED flashes white. This triggers the earbuds to advertise themselves to the phone, which is why proximity matters. You now switch to the iPhone's Bluetooth list and tap the entry labeled Nothing Ear 2 when it shows up. This tells iOS to initiate the secure pairing handshake. Be patient. The phone and earbuds exchange keys and profiles, which can take a few seconds. Once you see Connected, make sure audio is routed to the Ear 2 in Control Center and test playback. If offered, enable features like noise cancellation or spatial audio, so the earbuds behave as intended for calls and media. You finish by testing. Play music, make a quick call, and try the onboard gestures so you confirm mic, touch controls, and noise cancellation are working. If you want custom behavior, open the Nothing app or the Bluetooth device options to tweak gestures and ANC levels. If something goes wrong, forget the Nothing Ear 2 on your iPhone and reset the earbuds by holding the case button until the LEDs indicate a reset. Then repeat pairing. This clears stale profiles and usually fixes persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.